In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add someone in WhatsApp group without saving their phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. And the first step is open up WhatsApp and then just enter your group. Then just press the group name and then scroll down until you find invite via link and then tap on it. That's where we can copy our link to the clipboard and then we can share it on any social media platform. The only thing that you are going to do is you open up some conversation and just paste WhatsApp group invitation link here. And also we can create or generate QR code. Then first thing we'll do is we go to our group, then we'll press our group name, then we will scroll down and find invite via link. Then we will see the QR code button, then we'll press it, then we will save the picture. That will save that QR code to our camera roll, and then we can let someone just to scan it, and that QR code leads anyone who's scanning to your group. That's how you can easily add someone in WhatsApp group without saving their contact.